Make your furniture shimmer and shine with Dixie Belle's Moonshine metallic paints. We decided to buy all of the Moonshine metallic paint so we could do a first look and review the product. Now, according to Dixie Belle, Moonshine metallic chalk mineral paint is a one-step, rich and shiny metallic with beautiful pigments. It's available in 16 ounces, and even though a base coat is not required, they do recommend it. Dixie Belle Moonshine metallics come in 8 different colors, and they do have a different look when they are applied over a base coat, black, white, and just on raw wood. So as we show the colors, we'll also show the samples behind them so you can see the difference. The 8 colors include Wedding Belle, Pacific, Steel Magnolia, Caribbean, Silver Bullet, Gold Digger, Deep Woods, and Rosé. As we mentioned earlier, applying Moonshine metallics is a pretty easy process. Now, according to the Dixie Belle website, you should clean with white lightning. What is white lightning? Well, white lightning will degrease and remove all the debris from your furniture, kitchen cabinets, or whatever you want to paint it with. It will prep your piece and help you achieve the best outcome for your painted masterpiece. It is important to note that I do not have white lightning, so we are skipping this step, and we'll see if it makes a difference in the end result. It also states we should use a dry or damp paintbrush to paint your piece, and if you want, you can apply 2 to 3 coats for full coverage, or apply 1 to 2 coats over a similar paint color. In this video, we'll be using Dixie Belle's paint brushes, both their synthetic and specialty brushes. So if you haven't seen our review on that, look for that video now. So it's time for our paint test. Now we are just using a raw piece of wood, very lightly sanded. And on the left side, we will paint with a base coat of tea rose. And on the right side, we will use Moonshine metallics in rosé. And for a paintbrush, we're using the signature Dixie Belle brush. Let's start our test by grabbing tea rose. Tea rose Dixie Belle paint is the closest to the metallic rosé, and that's why we chose this. We're using the signature Belle brush, and I love this product. If you haven't played with Dixie Belle chalk paint or their brushes, look for our review on both those down below. Now we're going to dry this really good so we can turn our attention to the metallic rosé. We are going to apply this over the entire piece of wood. So that means on the left hand side we have the tea rose and the metallic paint. On the right hand side we have the natural raw wood and just 1 coat of the rosé metallic paint. Let's dry that. Now after just 1 coat, you can definitely tell on the right hand side we can see the raw wood. And I personally love this look because you still get a little bit of that metallic shine, but also the natural raw wood. Now on the left hand side we have great coverage. But if you want a better look than that, you can add a second coat of paint, which we've done now over the entire piece of wood. We've dried that and you can see it lessens the look of wood just a tad. If you want even more dramatic results, let's do 3 coats. So on the left-hand side, we have the base and 3 coats of metallic, and on the right, we have 3 coats of metallic. Now, I personally love that you can achieve such dramatic different results depending on what you used for your base. We tried it over the natural raw wood. We tried it over a base coat that matched the Moonshine metallic the closest. We also tried the Moonshine metallics over a base coat of white and a base coat of black. And you can tell the difference in the lighter shades of metallic versus the darker shades. But regardless, we got beautiful results on every single one. And for me, this is very amazing because you can get versatile looks out of one paint. Cleanup is really easy too using the scrubby. What's the scrubby? It is just that. It is a scrubby with essential oils built into it. So just grab your paintbrush, use the essential oils, and then just use the paintbrush on the scrubby side, clean all the bristles, and let it dry. Perfect clean every time. If you haven't checked out our other Dixie Belle videos, make sure to look at those. We have a video on Dixie Belle paint, their brushes, and the Voodoo gel stain. Take a look down below for all of those videos. While you're down there, make sure to use our Dixie Belle affiliate link. Using this link helps support our channel. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's quick review and first look on the Moonshine Metallics by Dixie Belle. Here's some other videos you may enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that like. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.